What up, what up? It's your boy the Enthusiast checking in with another video. Now today's video, I'll be installing some reverse backup lights on my Stinger. As you can see over here, we have that new 2022 Stinger Scorpion and that ceramic silver. Got them red guts too. I'll do a review on that real soon, so y'all stay tuned for that one. But yeah, about these rear backup lights. I dislike that old yellow looking lights. I mean, my car's a 2019. I didn't see like cars like Camrys, their reverse lights, or even Chargers and Challengers, their reverse lights are that cool white color, which I love a lot. I even have them inside my place, on my all my lights inside my place. Even in the interior of the car, it has those lights in there. I'm like, man, they just left. They forgot about the lights on the back. So found some lights right here from DiodeDynamics.com. Some LED lights. They got that cool white look. So when you reverse on the backup camera, it'll be nice and bright. So I'm gonna show y'all how to install these bad boys, and let's get it started. Alright, first we're gonna pop the trunk. So, to install these, you have that panel right there, that cover right there on that side and that side. You pop both of these open, and then I'll show y'all there'll be like 3 screws on both sides. You unscrew, and then after that, you undo the plug on both sides, and then you'll be able to take this part right here off. This little section right here, you'll be able to pull that off, and then you'll be able to install. But we'll get to that. Let's first take the panels off and undo the screws. Alright, now I took the panels off. So now I will unscrew that screw, and this screw right here, which will loosen it up and be able to take the light off from the other side. So on both sides you have those 3 screws that you'll unscrew, and then you'll unplug this, which connects to the bulb. So we already do that, then we'll go to the next step. I took all 3 screws out on both sides, and I forgot to tell y'all, use a 10mm socket to take off the screws. So use a 10mm socket to take off the screws, and once you get the screws and unplug the plugs, we got the plug unplugged, got all 3 screws out. Now we'll close the hatch. Now that I closed it, now I will pull it from each end, and it come on out. So we'll get ready to do that, and then we'll go to the next step. Got the light off. So now this is the connector right here to connect the power, and now this is where the bulb is. So it says pull this back. We'll pull that back so we get access to the bulb. And once I do that, get it nice and good, and you're just supposed to twist this. So we lock it that way, so we twist it this way. Well, I'm gonna have to do this with 2 hands. Alright guys, I had to use 2 hands for that. So I twisted it off, pulled the bulb out, which was very simple. Now I will take this, and it's pretty much a plug and play. Just plug it inside here, and then once I plug it in, I'll put it back down in here, and then close it back up, and then I'll go to the other side and do the same thing. Both bulbs are in. Put the little gasket back on both sides. I'm good to go. Now I'm about to put it back on the hatch and plug it in. After I plug it in, I'm gonna make sure that they do light up, and if they do light up, then I'll put the bolts back on and put the cover on, and then be good to go. If they don't light up, then I'm gonna have to take it out, flip them around, and then they should light up. But yeah, I'm about to put it back in, and we should see them light up. See if they work. I got one working. I'm gonna have to flip the other side. Alright, I think we working. Yep, good to go now. And nice and bright. A little bit later when it gets darker, I'm gonna get another video so they be nice and bright. Get the real effect of them. Alright, that's the install of them. About to screw the bolts back on, put the little covers on, and that's it. Thank y'all for watching the video, and y'all look out for the review on the Stinger GT2 Scorpion. Here we go. How bright they are. How bright them bad boys is, man. Yeah, that's what I was looking for right there. I appreciate it, Diode Dynamics.